There are 11 million visitors to Brighton every year. The beach is a popular destination in the summer for many people. However, every year large amounts of litter is left along the shores. To start with, our product had to solve the issues we specified. This made sure the product solved the issue of littering on Brighton Beach. Our product revolves around human behavior, therefore we investigated the psychology behind littering. We also found out the types of litter being left behind at Brighton Beach and the current litter managing solutions which exist on the beach. By researching the psychology behind littering, we found the highest indicator of someone littering was how far away they were from a bin. We also found that dirty environments increase the chances of someone littering. By using the results from Marine Conservation Society beach cleans, we found that plastic, cigarettes, and glass were the top items left on the UK beaches. We obtained primary data in the form of a survey of 120 people. We asked questions regarding people's opinions on littering. Our findings suggest that people don't think they litter when they attend the beach. However, after contacting Brighton and Hove City Council, they told us they picked up 24 tons of litter on a single bank holiday in August last year. Therefore, this suggests people are not aware of how much litter they produce and how to dispose of it correctly. We also investigated the layout of Brighton Beach. Brighton and Hove Council states there are 220 permanent bins existing along the Brighton Beach. Currently, there are none on the beach itself. Top-down method, also known as upside-down triangle, shows that from our survey and other statistics, the market segment or demographic is 18 to 30-year-olds. Potential competitions are companies that manufacture basic rollout rubber matting, although our design is far more advanced, including nudges and other design features that focus specifically on dissuading people from littering. The table shows the projection of the numbers of visitors over the different seasons in 2022, basing the estimated values from previous studies. This method is called simple forecasting, where the unknown factors were taken into account. The error from this method was also considered. Linear trends is using extrapolation of the line of best fit to estimate the future data. By using y equals mx plus c, the line can be plotted. Bias estimating is a method where the positives and negatives are established and then analyzed by calculating the possible error and external factors. Through market research and speaking directly with the council, ideas were generated and scored via a weighted matrix. The specification for matrices criteria were selected to benefit the overall design in an environmental fashion. The criteria is shown above with the weight and scoring of each category. From this FMEA and pink, we were able to use this to decide our final decision. Once we had decided on the walkway, we began sketching. We aimed to try and create different concepts of what our walkways would look like. Some of us sketched different layouts, including lights, others sketched stepping stone-like designs. We sketched how the walkway should connect and the idea that the walkway could stretch out into the sea. There were more rollout designs and more stepping stones. We even had a novel idea such as a walkway creator, which would work by creating a footpath in the stones on Brighton Beach. Different materials were also sketched, which influenced the design. Our favourite idea was in the form of slabs, which were shaped to fit into each other. This was then developed further, combining these features. We adopted the design of a puzzle piece. This design was simple and could easily fit together, from every side adding modularity. It also included features which stopped the risk of slipping via holes. The design is also semi-permanent, meaning that it can be taken away when not in use, as installation does not require any resources. The total cost per unit is £30.97. To reduce price, all parts would be standardised, manufactured in the UK to reduce transportation emission, and we will also buy our material in stock depending on the market price.
So the problem we faced was littering on Brighton Beach. It's very important because it's detrimental to the environment and to Brighton's image. So we solved this by developing an innovative product which influences people's behavior towards littering. Thank you very much for listening to our pitch.